So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add insurance to shipping on eBay. So first of all, go to ebay.com. You can see here hi and then your name, account settings as well as sign out, daily deals, brand outlets, ship to sell, watch list, my eBay notifications as well as your shopping cart. So through here go to account settings on here. Once you've gone to there, you will need to go to the seller part of this page. You can see selling, then go to seller dashboard. On there, you can see sell your first item. Click on start selling. And on here, you can see the option to list an item. So it says, tell us what you're listing. So what you're selling rather. So you can put in shoes, men, whatever. Just try to make it as specific as you can. From there, you can continue without a match. You can put in new without box. These are all just showing you as an example which steps you need to take to get to insurance on shipping. And once it says complete your listing, all the way down, you can see the promotion and you can see the shipping. So for domestic shipping, you can add a primary service. You can see the shipping method. You can see package weight, package dimensions. You can see some preferences, cost type, rate table, and so on. And once you click on add a primary service, you will see here the insurance and how much it costs, whether it's covered or not. So no insurance, and it right here it says yes insurance. So choose the one that has insurance, and that's how you can add it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.